Test. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you guys the best wheel cleaner. And I say the best wheel cleaner, I've been using this wheel cleaner for several years now. But I just noticed there's a revamped formula. And I want to give this a try. And if this works just as good, if not better, I want to say this is the best. All right guys, so let's show you my car. Guys, and if you're new here, I do a lot of car stuff, a lot of BMW related content. So if you're a BMW fan, be sure to consider subscribing. I do product reviews. I do, a little bit of everything in cars, but more specifically, I'm focusing on BMW right now. But guys, just consider subscribing. All right, so this is my 2016 BMW X5M, and you can look, all this brake dust is on these rims. This is after a week of driving, and if you don't see what I'm talking about, my finger right there, look at that, a lot of brake dust. The rear wheels, I switched to different brake pads to see they're not as bad. This brake cleaner works better when there's actually dust for it to clean to. If wheels are like just dirty from dust, I would say it's probably better to use the wheel cleaner, but for just heavy brake dust, this is the way to go. All right, and the way this works is you don't do any pre-rinsing. You spray it on the rim before you drive the car, so the rim has to be cool and dry. You'll spray it on the rim, you let it sit, and after it sits for a few minutes, you'll see it change colors as the chemicals react with the iron of the brake pad material that's on the rims. It clings to it, and you should be able to rinse it off with the pressure washer or a strong hose. So let's do that now. So I have it here. All right, you can see it's starting to turn purple. That means it's ready to go. It's been a few minutes, and you want to do it before it dries. You don't want this to dry in the wheel. So I have my pressure washer here. I'm using the yellow tip. This is my Palrite Elite. It's got 4,000 PSI. And you can see, look at this. Nothing on my hands. Nothing on my hands. And now you notice the wheel actually has a gloss finish. So if there's any like extra spots left over, you can hit it, with the, by hand. But I think, my personal opinion, this one works really well. The Beast. This one here works just as well. This was a little bit cheaper, and it nearly works the same. So my thoughts, I get more in a bottle, but I could save a little bit more with this. So I don't know. I haven't decided if this was the best, but either one of these two, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with these two. And this is how it looks. Saves me a lot of work, a lot of scrubbing, especially if your wheels, this is a little bit easier to clean by hand, but say for example you have wheels that are a little more intricate, a lot of, there's a lot of work, and this would save you a lot of that. You can see there's a few spots here in the corner that I could probably do by hand, but overall, I like it. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Helps the channel. I'll link everything to the description, including the pressure washer if you guys like it. I actually like the pressure washer myself for electric. It's pretty powerful. But I'll link all the products, both products, to the description.